Hey, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 2012 Chevy Equinox LTZ all-wheel drive. This Equinox has only 30,000 miles. I got this car, a friend of mine called me, a friend from grade school, his grandma died, and they needed to get rid of the car, so here we go. It's a cream puff, very nice, new tires, 2 key fobs, all the books. It's got leather seats, sunroof, navigation, rear camera, power tailgate, keyless entry. It's very, very clean. Be a great vehicle for a commuter or maybe a new driver. Inexpensive, low miles. Pop it back here. Like no use back here. It's got our power button. Tow hitch back there. New tires. Very clean. Doesn't look like the back seat's been used. This is a non-smoker, clean Carfax. Clean Texas title. It's got the Pioneer stereo. Take a look at the seat here. There's no wear. Take a look at the odometer. There you go, 30,440. Everything works, AC. Got heated seats. There we go, right there. Navigation. Got 2 key fobs, all the books, like I said. Give us a call, text, email. We can ship anywhere in the country. Can work with any bank. Give us a call. We can do deals over the phone, over text message, over email. You don't need to come in and sign. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.